Hey guys, me Misha. Everything I say is not financial advice, my personal opinion. Didn't take long for market uh, to recover. It's interesting. That's interesting. Technically, it's placed to short on 5 minutes. Practically, well, on daily we kind of like nowhere, so could technically work. Yeah, on daily we are in this type of nowhere, no man's land. It looks like an exhaustion though. We had this, and then this. Spy revives. I'm curious if this was the level. Probably it was. Probably it was on volume spring. But nothing here anyway, so. And then this good. This is good in continuation of the trend. If so. If so. Oh. Bullish, bullish, bullish. So. Perfect 0.5 and SPY. IWM. Everything like bounces. That needs a level. Huh. It's right here. Boom. All the volume is up there and here again, so there's no signal anyway. Boom. Yeah. This is also arguably the biggest volume. It's last volume of the hour, and this is, we don't know what volume is this. This guy, like, there's some decent accumulation going on. It's counter trend. It's still good but after this volume, yeah. This volume kinda killed it. That volume kinda killed it. That per hour, and it broke here and then went up. And then went up. And we are now in this situation. No exhaustion volume yet. Let it decide what it wants to do. Boom. Quite brutal. Quite brutal. This guy is. Boom. Markets are indecisive for all I care. It's right there at the level, however, look at this volume, just right into our face. Yeah, this is more accurate. Right in our face. This and then this. Initiative takeover. That all looked bullish. It all looked quite bullish, but then this comes in and it tries to revive smaller volumes, try to jump over this volume, and then initiative takeover, baby. Technically it's good for 5 minutes, but practically I wouldn't dare. Oh, it's right there right now. Yeah, technically it's at the level, but practically only after the direction of the trend will change. And even then, no. You see these volumes? This is a sentence for the possible long trade. And even locally, volume distribution, it's not right. Done. Yeah, no, it's suicidal. I'm sorry. This volume is still bigger by here, and it's gonna be. It closes soon. The day, 23 minutes. The oil futures runs on a different schedule than the rest of Russian stock apparently. Yeah, no way, even this test, nothing will help here because look, just this volume was weird, of course, but why did I decide to after this volume I decided to look at it independently. However, look, this volume in June, it's right here. It's like initiative takeover attempt with this bar, and then boom, didn't go, boom, didn't go. Maybe I should come back to this charting, which makes no sense. No, let's keep it as it is. Yeah, no way I would take this trade. There's no way in the world. Who might have thought so high? It didn't look like a short wave at all, but apparently it works. Yeah, an initiative takeover, but we still have bigger volume. Like if I didn't have enough Tegeka already in my portfolio. Like I didn't have enough Tegeka in my portfolio. That trade wouldn't work, would have worked if I took it. Look at this guy. It works beautifully. Right in 0.5. It worked beautifully. Continuation of the trend. Look. That was alarming, of course, but this is still a bigger volume. And then boom. I think it's perfect, even without a test. Maybe also something on minutes. Look, this is absolutely the biggest volume. It bounces off this volume level, but this is still bigger, so I think we're good. Nothing on minutes. Nothing on minutes. Oh. 5-0, 5-0, yeah, so nothing. But nothing compares. Boom, my trade that didn't go. It looks like an exhaustion, just not in the right level. There's nothing on superior time frame to suggest. Look, it broke it like a little higher and then went down. Yeah. I think I'll be fine to break even. Just didn't go my way. Intel. This 5 minute would have worked right here. Didn't take it. And now we are, well, we are in a balance, but yeah. Now we are in this situation. Oh, I really don't know where our sign of strength, because this is like weird. Oh, you know what? Actually, here's another level here. Oh wow. Oh wow. Yeah. Or like this. Doesn't matter. Fjord. Fjord is at the level. You want it at this level, really. It's right there in the level. And this, by the way, was like, no, that wasn't sign of strength. Anyhow, well, that will be good after a test. No, not on hourly, because there's no context on daily, right? Or is there? And technically, we are still in continuation of the trend. But nothing compares. Nothing compares to you. It's messy. And 5 minutes on Fjord are not that great. Definitely not a hyped stock, which I like. My system works better on stocks that do not draw too much attention, because those are like too jerky. They always break the wave last hour of the day. Yeah, there's nothing on 5 minutes that would indicate the change of trend. So let's keep an eye on it, but also let's keep in mind that, yeah, no, this guy needs to change direction for sure. And it's a futures, doesn't pay dividends, so I don't think I can trade it at all. But just for funsies. Just for funsies. Boom. but nothing compares. Nothing compares. This volume level still holds technically. Boom, it went for automatic rally. It just went for automatic rally. And above the biggest volume now, that was the volume. So looking good. What am I trying to... What am I trying to do here? I don't know, honestly. But nothing compares. Yeah. Doesn't look like it on monthly. This is now a counter trend. Because since correction officially started on monthly, we cannot look at it as long on daily, because it's gonna mismatch, it's gonna contradict the superior time frame. You know why this guy is even on my list? No idea. Just to give it an equal treatment. Just to honor it. That's this. Oh, you guys, and I ordered the external mic yesterday, so hopefully you're gonna get a better sounding of me soon. It's good for continuation of the trend for like here. Or like here. Oh wait, well, I don't need to explain, so that's not optimal place to do anything short. Anyway, however, monthly is nowhere, like absolutely nowhere. We are past transition extreme, so that means that we are good to trade in continuation of the trend. Something like this. Yeah, I think that's it. It was a good 2.5, but the volume zone is there, and it kind of blurped into it, and it looks like an exhaustion. So I think that's it for a counter trend on, yeah. Well, You see, it looks like it wants to respect, and those are last minutes of the day. And yeah, that might have worked. It's a little bit into this I'm sorry, zone to be considered, but not critically. So that can work. Let's also see on minutes. Yeah, nothing. Nothing on minutes. Yeah. Babush. Yeah. No, I don't think so. I don't think so. It disqualifies based on 0.5. And look at this volume. Doesn't want to go up at all. Okay. Didn't give us a chance on an hour. Grinds higher. Not the biggest volume. So on hour it would need to reverse the trend. Well, technically. It's this now. Okay, guys, I have like a bunch of self-tapes to record, so I think I'm gonna go. Look at this guy. Look at this guy, but no. No freaking way. Maybe it comes here, forms a new transition extreme. Never broke up, really. It never showed us a healthy uptrend. That'd be an interesting place if the volume keeps its superiority. What is it? That's fine if it will work. My take is too high. Doesn't look like. Huh. Look at this guy. It's this for now. See how it closes in 43 minutes. Yeah, everything revives. Market is still strong. I think you guys I'm gonna go. And this is past beyond 0.5, right? So we could only consider something up to 0.5, so yeah, everything looks great. That was actually volume spring. Probably I'll have to make an exclusion for old bar, old spread rule. When it drops like this and closes bullish bar, so then this should be seen as a legitimate level. Probably nothing here anyways, so oh god. See, like attempt of initiative takeover, and now it's trying to decide what it wants to do. That was a possible entry. And ever since here it's in a balance, and now it's trying this balance. It's testing the resistance level of this balance. It actually looks good. Volume distribution is not right though on this guy for sure. It's no man land on monthly, so it doesn't help us. Daily short still holds the volume of sign of strength. This volume though, look. Exhaustion. So technically even good from 5 minutes, but practically wouldn't touch it. Boom. Boom. Try to resist and then boom, initiative takeover. It's not even initiative takeover, continuation of the trend. So yeah, I'm really skeptical. Look, that's the test. It looks more like it will break rather than it will respect the level. Boom, 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 all over in volumes. Let's keep it open. So I'm gonna go. Let's just let's just see our biggest losses. Wow, what a gap. That's more like, I think, this situation. Old spread rule. I just said we're gonna adjust it and modify it, and then I violate my own rules. Yeah, it's right there. It's all messy, so and with this kind of approach And we had changed of direction here. Boom, boom, went down. It still officially holds, but practically in counter trend. So, oh no, never mind. Yeah, so it's this right now. For like here. Down, 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 down. Yeah. Well, technically, it's good for practically it needs to stop. It needs to stop falling at first. Down, down, down. Okay. What else? Oof. Okay, I'm gonna go. I see you later.